A good Thursday afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Greg Majeski back with you here in the North Georgia Majestic Weather Studios with your Talking Live forecast update here on your December the 17th, 2025. Well, we got some clouds out there as expected for today. Even got a little bit of rain shower activity in the area, but the real rain's really going to be arriving as we go in toward tomorrow. Then we're going to see a brief cool down. It looks like as we go into Christmas week, we're going to see some above normal temperatures. Now, before we break down your entire 7-day forecast, if you're new here to the Talking Live Broadcast Channel Facebook page, please give us a like or follow. Or if you're watching over on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future updates. All right, let's go ahead and take a live look there in Chattanooga. So we've got a lot of cloudy skies out there for this afternoon and a little rain on the radar to show you here in just a second. Also looking at some filtered sunshine up there at Lake Chattooga, North Georgia as well. And those clouds will kind of dominate the area at least through tomorrow night until things begin to clear heading into your Friday. Now, looking at the local radar, we are seeing some very light returns here to the north of Chattanooga area. Again, couldn't rule out a spotty shower for tonight, but again, like I said, the main rain threat will be kind of coming in as we go into your Thursday. Satellite picture showing abundance of clouds across the area, a little bit of filtered sunshine down there toward Alabama and Georgia. But again, that main moisture feed will be coming in as we go in here for your Thursday. Regional radar again showing what's left of the high pressure, still trying to hold on here, but temperatures are in the 50s, so we're still not looking too bad out there for this afternoon, and we'll be in that neighborhood, even a few 60s around for tomorrow before a brief cool down moves in as we go into your Friday. Now, as far as what we're looking for, as far as our rainfall is concerned, well, let's take a look at the latest model data on that. Here as we go, as we're looking at some scattered showers, and couldn't rule out a thunderstorm or two. Again, this just kind of moves on through. Notice by the time we go into Friday morning, we're all clear. We're looking pretty good as this comes on through. So again, maybe a spotty shower overnight tonight, really not going to amount to much anything, but the main rain threat goes in for tomorrow. Notice that surge of moisture coming up in here, again, kind of moving on through. And again, a few rumbles of thunder cannot be ruled out. In fact, that's what we're kind of seeing, just a general thunderstorm threat here all across East Tennessee and North Georgia. Yesterday, the Storm Prediction Center had a little bit of a marginal risk for severe weather across central Tennessee. They've lifted that, so just expect a general thunderstorm threat here across the area. So if you get a rumble of thunder, not a big deal. Just know that's a possibility for you, okay? All right, now let's go look at our forecast maps as we go and look at this, as we go and put this into motion. You're going to watch that little timestamp there on top as we kind of go through the days of the week here. As we go into your Thursday again, rain chances will be coming up, especially as we go into the afternoon hours. And look at all that dark green on that map. A lot of rain there. Not going to get a ton out of this, maybe about a half inch or so, maybe some localized area a little bit more than that, but we can handle it for sure as it's been awfully dry. Friday's looking dry, looking pretty good. Saturday also looking not bad. Sunday, maybe a slight chance of a shower there, but again, very minimal here as far as coverage. And going into Monday next week, not bad. Tuesday, again, still showing some green on that map, but precipitation chances are going to be very, very isolated here. And then going into Christmas Eve, looking pretty good. In fact, we got some pretty mild temperatures here going into Christmas Eve. You want to stick around for my 7-day on that, okay? Now, here's our forecast here for tomorrow as I'm switching over to a Christmas theme here from now until Christmas Day, since we're about a week out now. 60 and 39, rain likely there in Chattanooga with some above normal temperatures coming in here briefly. Overnight lows, most areas here in the 30s into around 40 degrees. Again, mostly cloudy. Couldn't rule out an isolated shower, but again, the main rain threat, like I said, kind of coming in for tomorrow. Rain likely, south wind at 5 to 15. A little more easterly over there in Georgia, but mostly in the 50s to around 60 degrees. Region looking like this: 60 in Nashville, 61 in Memphis, 72 in Jackson, 68 in Destin, 64 in Columbus. Again, decent chance of rain across the southeast with a few rumbles of thunder, cannot be ruled out. And the next 7 days, here we go, continuing that Christmas theme. Back down to 50-36 on Friday, but we warm right back up. 58-28 on Saturday, 58-41 on Sunday. And then look what I got on Christmas Eve right now, 66-47. Yeah, some very warm weather expected here as temperatures will be running some 15 plus degrees above normal for this time of year. It looks like going into Christmas Day. So looks like a warm Christmas. We've been talking about this for a little while. We knew we were getting a pattern change. And once that happens, well, it's kind of locked in for right now. So looks like the next best chance for us getting some real cold air back in here probably won't arrive until we get into the new year, into January. Again, I appreciate you guys checking us out here on the Talking Live broadcast channel. And if you're new, make sure you give us a like and follow on Facebook and over on YouTube. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're alerted on future updates. All right, that's y'all's update for today. You guys take it easy, be good, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.